My name is Anita Singh and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today I am going to explain you social science topic of grade 5, natural disaster. The word natural comes from nature. It indicates all the plants, animals and other living and non-living things that are not human-made. It also refers to things that happen and are beyond our control. Natural disasters or calamities show the destructive powers of nature. These are disasters that are caused by natural forces. It also improves to humans that any kind of scientific development is inferior to the fury of nature. Human world is unable to have a control on nature. Natural disasters cause suffering and pain to human race. Let's know about them one by one. Floods are natural disaster caused by very heavy rainfall that causes a river to overflow its banks and the water spreads to the surrounding areas. Causes of floods. First reason is overflow of rivers, lack of vegetation and deforestation, then lack of proper drainage system in the areas which receive a lot of rainfall, then suddenly heavy and continuous rainfall. They also occur when a dam holding water breaks accidentally. Sudden melting of large amount of snow on mountains during summer season, or undersea earthquakes and volcanic eruption cause huge ocean waves called tsunami in coastal areas. Floods also occur when a coastal area is hit by a hurricane. Let's know how to prepare ourselves for floods. You should leave the areas as soon as possible. Listen to the radio or watch television for warnings. Keep first aid kit like torch, matchsticks and stock of food and fresh water ready. Then you should stay away from electric poles and cables to avoid the risk of electrocution. Switch off and unplug all electric appliances as flood water may enter homes. Avoid driving through flooded areas as we may get stuck in water. Drink boiled water only. In India, floods are very common during monsoon season. Let's know about droughts. When there is a shortage of rainfall over a long period of time, there is a drought. Drought affects plants, animals and the lives of people. Farmers face problems as their livelihood depends on the crops they produce. When a drought takes place, natural vegetation of the area dies and crops fail. This leads to shortage of food, leading to famine. The water supply becomes less as the water level goes down in lakes and even in wells. Rivers shrink and the streams dry up. The soil cracks and is blown away by the wind, creating dust storms. How we can prevent from droughts? We should grow more trees. develop irrigational facilities by building dams, adopt modern techniques like rainwater harvesting so that the water stored during monsoons can be used in tough times. Grow drought-resistant crops like millet, maize, and sorghum. Spray water on the base of the plants so that less water is used. Let's know about earthquakes. An earthquake is the result of a sudden release of stored energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes may occur naturally or as a result of human activities. Smaller earthquakes can also be caused by volcanic activity, landslides, mine blast, and nuclear experiments. The point where the earthquake originates is called the focus. The point just above the focus is called epicenter. The Himalayan ranges in northern India experience frequent earthquakes. Earthquakes occur frequently in Japan and Philippines also. Precautions during earthquakes are stay away from tall buildings and get out into the open. Do not use lifts, instead use emergency exits and staircases. If unable to escape, stay under heavy furniture like a table. Stay away from windows, mirrors, showcases for fans. If traveling in a vehicle, get out of it. Stay away from electric cables and poles, trees and other tall things. Let's know about volcanic eruptions. A volcano is an opening in the crust of the earth through which molten rock material or magma comes out. When this magma erupts and flows out on the surface, it is called lava. Hot gases or ash also comes out with the magma. These cause air pollution and a lot of destruction. An opening through which lava comes out is called vent. Let's know how to prepare ourselves for volcanic eruptions. Listen to the radio or watch television for any kind of warning. Move to a safer place. Always keep a bag with basic things in it ready, for example, torch and first aid kit. Stay away from the lava and hot gases as they are harmful. Do not return to the area till the time you are asked to by the authorities. Always have helpline numbers for immediate assistance and emergency. Let's know about cyclones. Cyclone is also a natural disaster. During a cyclone, winds blow at a very high speed accompanied by very heavy showers. In India, the coastal areas of Gujarat and Maharashtra and the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu are usually affected by cyclones. How to prepare ourselves for cyclones? We can prepare ourselves for cyclones in the following ways. Keep watch on the weather forecasting on television or radio. Pay attention to the warnings, if any, then move to a safer place before the cyclone arrives. Carry necessary items like food, water and first aid kit. Here I will end up with my topic. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Thank you all.